In this video, we're going to look at the Quick Access Toolbar. It's a feature not just in Microsoft Excel, but also in the other Microsoft Office products. What the Quick Access Toolbar is located up here in the top left-hand corner, and it's basically a series of common commands that you use with your documents. So you'll notice here, save, then we've got undo and redo. These are things you're used to seeing. This changes it from a little different view to work with a touchscreen. But the thing about this is it can be customized. So when you hit the down arrow here, you'll notice that you can go in and you can add features to it. I could add email. I could add quick print. So there's different things I can add to it. But I can also go here to more commands, and that'll allow me to access a lot of the other features and add them into here. And then I can choose, do I want it above or below the ribbon? I keep it above the ribbon because the way it looks below the ribbon I just don't like. I don't like that here. So I always keep it up here at the very top. Otherwise, basically, I've just got space up here that's not being used, and it's taking away from down here. So let's go in and customize this. And click here, and go to More Commands. And now we'll see, we can actually look at popular commands, commands not in the ribbon. So we actually can go into a huge amount of stuff right here and look at macros. If we've got any in there, we can actually look at all commands, which is everything you could possibly think of. We're going to just look at the popular commands for a moment. So I've got all these different things that are popular. And what I'm going to do is add a few. I'm going to add copy, create chart, and I'm going to do custom sort because that's something I do all the time. So I've got these features in here. Now, once they're in there, I can double click on them and remove them, or I can just hit remove right here. I can determine whether I want this setup to go for all documents in Excel or just for this one particular document. And that's a good idea. If you have one document maybe that uses a set of specific commands, it might be a good idea to put those up there. Down here at the bottom, you'll see I have the ability to reset it back to the default. And then I can also import these out and export them in. So that can be very helpful moving them with certain files. So when I click OK, they'll show up here. So here are the new ones I added in. So when I'm working on a document, for example, we'll go to spark lines. I've got these tests. I can click right here on the chart, and it's automatically going to bring up, and you'll see recommended charts that I can use. It could custom sort if I have that set up. Of course, I can copy and then paste somewhere else. And then this email one's kind of cool because when you click on the email, what it'll do is it'll open up your email and it automatically attaches the document for you. So that's a handy feature when you're looking at attaching and not sharing. So that is the Quick Access Toolbar. It's in all Microsoft Office documents. You'll find it up in the top left-hand corner, and you can customize it with this down arrow right here. And so that's how that works.